Sup guys! Dito naman tayo magpo-food trip sa Yabu, located at Grand Central Monumento. At ito ang menu nila. Unang-una may kita is yung Yabu ritual nila katulad ng pinakita ko sa simula. Then yung mga appetizers at salads, syempre hindi mawawala yung mga katsu at marami pang iba. We ordered one rosso set, yung 180 grams lang, good for sharing na yon. Then off the menu, meron silang refillable set which has unlimited rice, cabbage, miso soup, and fruits. O diba, talaga namang sulit kung sharing kayo. We also tried their agedashi tofu, mozzarella katsu sticks na talaga namang napaka-gooey, stretchy at melty ng cheese. Tapos isasawsaw pa dito sa kanilang spicy aioli dip. We also tried their famous tornado omelette curry. Pero ito ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat, yung kanilang manchi katsu set. Authentic Japanese mincemeat mixed with special spices and stuffed with creamy cheese. Overall, masarap at sulit naman dito sa Yabu.